Assembling the version 3 aluminum template holder is fast and easy following this quick tutorial. Start by determining which scale you'd like to use across the top of the rail, inches or millimeters. Position that side up and align the left and right side pieces so the small lip is on the edge of the rail. Insert the 4 cap screws and barely tighten them. Next, you'll insert the lever action ratchet knobs through the holes in the side pieces and thread on the square nuts. Leave them a little bit loose. Now we'll just slide the pieces down on the template holder support posts and line the square nuts up so they drop into the slots on either side. Next, you'll use a straight edge across the top of the support post to bring the aluminum template holder flush with the top of the posts. Tighten the locking levers and then tighten all 4 template holder mounting bolts. Check the alignment to make sure the top rail of the template holder is perfectly flush with the tops of the support posts. The templates have 2 machine screws with square nuts that slide into the slot in the center of the template holder. Position the template in the center and tighten these 2 screws. Now slip the tapered guide bearing into the guide bearing holder and push the tapered end into the center hole in the template, and then lock the guide bearing down. Now measure and mark dead center on a sample workpiece and clamp it to the table. With the template centered left to right and the guide bearing in the center of the template, we're going to now align the router bit with the center of the workpiece. Use a centering jig or a pointed router bit to find the center. Slide the bit up to your workpiece and raise or lower it using the template holder. When you've located dead center, lock the template holder using the lever knobs. With the template holder locked in place, remove your workpiece and place it underneath the template holder. Then slide the thickness gauge up to contact the workpiece and tighten it. You'll notice the small piece of paper in the slot under the thickness gauge. This was used when we dropped the nut into the slot from the top so it wouldn't fall all the way down to the bottom of the support post. You can remove that piece of paper once the gauge is set. As you can see, the thickness gauge occupies the same slot used for the acrylic template holder rail. Therefore, if you use the acrylic template holder, you'll need to slide the thickness gauge down a couple of inches. If you're happy with the position of the thickness gauge, you can mark the post with a sharpie or a scribe line to make it easier to reset the gauge in the future. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy panda rotting.